Welcome to the ultimate rustic escape. Imagine a kitchen designed to bring the charm of nature right into your backyard. Today, we're taking you on a tour of the rustic outdoor kitchen, where timeless design and natural elements come together to create a space that's both functional and inviting. At the heart of this rustic kitchen lies simplicity and elegance. Natural stone countertops, weathered wood cabinetry, and earthy textures create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This kitchen isn't just about cooking, it's about creating a connection with nature and celebrating the beauty of organic materials. Grilling becomes an art form in this rustic kitchen, equipped with a classic outdoor grill, a wood-fired pizza oven, and plenty of space for preparation. This kitchen invites you to explore the flavors of the outdoors. There's nothing like the taste of food cooked over an open flame, surrounded by the natural beauty of your environment. Once the meal is ready, it's time to enjoy it. The dining area, set against the backdrop of rustic stone walls and lush greenery, features a wooden table and benches that bring a cozy, communal feel to the space. Whether it's a family dinner or a casual gathering with friends, this outdoor space invites relaxation and conversation. In this rustic kitchen, it's all about making memories. There's something special about sharing a meal outdoors surrounded by nature's beauty. Whether you're cooking, dining, or simply enjoying the company of loved ones, this space offers a true sense of connection to each other and to the world around you. The charm of this rustic outdoor kitchen lies in the details. Wooden shelves adorned with vintage kitchenware, antique lighting fixtures that add a warm glow, and carefully chosen accessories complete the look. These elements not only enhance the kitchen's functionality, but also give it a sense of character and history. As night falls, the rustic kitchen transforms into a cozy haven. The soft glow of string lights, the crackle of the fire pit, and the flickering warmth from the pizza oven create an ambiance perfect for evening meals. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet dinner, this space becomes an inviting escape from the outside world. Designed to withstand the elements, this rustic outdoor kitchen is as versatile as it is beautiful. On a sunny afternoon, you can bask in the warmth. On rainy days, the covered area keeps you dry and comfortable. And when the stars come out, the outdoor kitchen becomes a magical retreat, perfect for late-night conversations. This rustic outdoor kitchen is more than just a space for cooking. It's a lifestyle, a place where food, nature, and good company come together in perfect harmony. If you've ever dreamed of having a kitchen that connects you to the outdoors, this is it, where rustic charm meets modern comfort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more design inspiration. We'll see you in the next one.